Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cages for hamsters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Midwest Deluxe Critter Nation Small Animal Cage. This hamster cage requires no tools for assembly but offers plenty to pet parents and their hamsters. Firstly, the full-width double doors help to make accessing your cage incredibly easy. In addition, customers love how quickly and efficiently they can clean their new cage without needing to take the top off the cage. As well as this, the caster wheels make moving and changing the cage even easier, with the added benefit of being lockable when required. The multi-story hamster cage offers plenty of room for your pets, while the storage shelf beneath provides somewhere to access your supplies when you need to quickly. One of the downsides to this option is the shallow floor trays, which can lead to a mess in the surrounding area. There have also been a few notes that the sides can be a little awkward to fit together. That said, a good hearty bang with a rubber mallet seems to do the trick here. Unfortunately, the bar spacing makes it unsuitable for smaller hamsters such as dwarf or Syrian hamsters. Moving on at number 4, we have the Savic Hamster Heaven Metro Cage. Easily the best choice for those who have never had a hamster before and aren't sure what they need. This choice comes with everything, and then some. With the full range of accessories included in your purchase, you won't be caught out without your necessities when choosing this hamster cage. These include tunnels, water bottles, exercise wheels, and more. The cage itself is also an excellent choice for all breeds of a hamster, from dwarf to Syrian. The large base, with deep flooring, provides ample room for your pets to explore, burrow, and enjoy themselves. Meanwhile, the slim gaps between the bars help keep your hamsters exactly where you want them while providing plenty of climbing space, to boot. At number 3, we have the Furplast Favola Hamster Cage. Looking at the Furplast Black Hamster Cage, you'd be perplexed about what type of hamster house it is. It does resemble a wire cage because of its wire net upper floor, although its deep transparent bottom tray makes it a glass tank, too. Furthermore, the Furplast is a 2-level system that effectively separates the play and feeding quarters from the burrowing and eliminating sections. Nevertheless, the system already comes with an exercise wheel, feeding and drinking stations, and a hideout for your pet. At number 2, we have the Prevue Hendryx Deluxe Hamster and Gerbil Cage. This hamster cage from Prevue Hendrix is amazingly beautiful and elegant as it features 2 home-inspired hideouts strategically placed on shelves accessed only by a ladder-like ramp. The wire frame construction is sturdy and durable while the bars are spaced safely to prevent hamsters from getting stuck in between. An exercise wheel already comes as standard. And finally at number 1, we have the Midwest Arcade Hamster Cage. For hamsters who enjoy multiple levels of living space and owners who love to watch all the fun in action, the Midwest Homes for Pets Hamster Cage is the best option out there. What's even better is that you do not have to go out of your way to stock up this cage. It comes fully stocked with an exercise wheel, water bottle, food bowl, nesting nook as well as some interior play tubes. All your pet has to do is move in. For further convenience, this hamster cage is fitted with a plastic base that is perfect for litter, as well as a top door and detachable cover which makes cleaning a lot easier. Even more, it offers a side port and connectors which are the right fit for standard play tubes. So, in the case that you want to connect any more fun accessories, it can happen quite easily. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.